Ready to join Eggmed? Let's walk you through creating your account and setting up your practice in just a few simple steps. Step 1. Go to the sign up page. Start by heading to eggmed.com and clicking the Start for Free button at the top of the page. Step 2. Choose your role. You'll land on a page asking whether you're a provider or a client. Select Create Account under I am a provider to continue. Step 3. Enter your email and password. Now, enter your email address and create a secure password. Once done, click Next to continue. Step 4. Fill in your profile info. Here, you'll be asked to provide your first name, last name, and choose your specialty from a drop-down list. If your specialty isn't listed, just select Other. Once everything's filled in, click Create Account. Step 5. Verify your email. Check your inbox for a verification email from Eggmed. Open the message and click the Verify Account button. Didn't receive it? Be sure to check your spam folder, confirm your email for typos, or use the Resend email option. If you're still having trouble, feel free to contact us at support@eggmed.com. Step 6. Set up your practice. After verification, you'll land on a quick setup screen. This step is optional. You can complete it now or skip it for later. You'll be asked for details like your specialty, session location, business address, services, and availability. These details are only used to pre-fill your settings later on, like when creating services or setting your working hours, so you don't have to repeat yourself. Everything is kept private and fully HIPAA compliant. Step 7. Log in and get started. That's it. Your account is now ready. Log in with your credentials to start exploring Eggmed, from scheduling and notes to client messaging and billing. Welcome aboard. You're all set to start managing your practice more easily with Eggmed.